You hot? Are you hot?
No.
Where are you going?
I know, we can't go down there, sweetie. I'm
No,
sorry.
I know you want to go down there. She wants to get in that water.
She's getting a kick out of the grasshoppers.
Whoa!
Oh.
Carmen!
Where are we going? Where are we going?
Carmen!
You're after something. Come on.
Come on!
Good
Good
girl.
girl!
What is it you, oh, you know what? You hear it slicing. Oh, there's a tennis ball down there. She
Oh.
sees a tennis ball. You saw, oh, you know what? You saw that. That is so funny. Okay.
She,
get it.
no,
You
she
get it.
she loves it. Yeah, she will do anything for a
Look
tennis
what
ball.
she found.
Good girl! That's what she was after!
My goodness. Give? Can you give? Give?
Carmen hunts down and retrieves the tennis ball.
That is too funny.
So cute.
Oh, you better give it to me. You better give it to me. You better give it to me. Oh, you better give it to me. You better give it to me.
Okay, I think that's it. I'm hot.